What's the meaning of antedate? Antedate. 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 Antedate.
Antedate means to assign a date or time to an event that is earlier than its actual occurrence. It can also refer to something that existed before its supposed origin. For example, if a document is antedated, it is given a date earlier than the date it was actually written. This can be done for legal or fraudulent purposes. Antedating can also be used to describe a historical event that predates its commonly accepted date based on new evidence. In general, antedating involves assigning an earlier date or time to something than it actually occurred.